and welcome back to Maya Claire's Baking Fair. First off, we are almost at 100 subscribers, and I want to get there today. And we are going to be making the famous Sweet Martha's chocolate chip cookies. But today we're going to call them Sweet Maya's cookies. And what you will need is butter, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, baking soda, flour, cake flour, brown sugar, bread flour, eggs, salt, and a mixer. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we are going to add 2 cups minus 2 tablespoons of cake flour. Here goes the first cup. Here is the 1 cup minus 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to put in the 1 2/3 cup of bread flour. Now 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. There we go. Now we're going to put in 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to put in 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to put in 2 1/2 sticks of butter. Now we're going to mash the butter just a little bit. Now we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now 1/4 cup. Now we're going to add 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here we go. Here's the second tablespoon. Now we're going to add 1 large egg. There we go. Now put in 2 egg yolks. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And here's the second one. Now we're going to whisk it together just a little bit. Now we're going to add these ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix it all together. Now we're going to add a full bag of chocolate chips. Now we're going to roll the dough and make them 1/2 teaspoon wide. They should look about this big, and we're going to go put them in the oven. And now we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. While we wait for these cookies to be done, I'm going to take a bike ride. You know me, safety first. All right, let's go. Oh no! Let's go back inside. All right. They look really good. Okay, so you have to flatten these out, and you want them a little bit gooey. All right, these ones are done. They look so good. Now we're going to put these ones in. And then just keep rolling them until you are out of dough. we have a special guest trying out these cookies.
Arr, me matey, I'm Captain Cookie. I've been sailing the 7 seas looking for lost delicious cookies. Can I try one of your cookies?
Yes.
Arr, it's delicious.
The recipients of these delicious Sweet Mice cookies are, drum roll please, my Grandpa Tim, because he loves chocolate chip cookies, and my teacher for the bake-off. My second cousin Isaac made this awesome, cool intro I will be using for my next video, so stay tuned for that. And here it is.
Like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
Thanks for watching, and smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. See ya!